Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video we'll be working here on the C-Class generation from 2008 to 2015 and we'll show you how to do cabin air filter replacement. As you know, we got this one from an auction, we detailed it today, everything's perfect, and we decided to put a new cabin air filter so it smells good, everything's clean. We'll have the links for the parts in the description of the video, check it out. We're using MAN, German filter, it comes with the manual, even tells you what to do. So it's not as complicated procedure as you would think, but it'll take about 20 minutes at the most to do that. So stay with us to see how we are going to do it now. So this is the reason why we're replacing the cabin air filter now. That little mechanic right here. Yeah. Check out her channel guys, we'll have it in the description of the video. So we'll need to get Torx 20 T20 star looking bit for that job. Okay, and a screwdriver. And there is 3 screws that we will need to remove. There on the bottom, under the glove box, okay, right here. Let me get the light on. Okay, so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, one is right there. So we're going to get this one loose now. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, this is the screw, that's how long it is. So now we have 2 more. Okay, let me see if I can get the camera in there. Okay, you can see this one over there with the same tube that we need to remove. Okay, this one came out as well. Now the last one is towards the left side, towards the middle of the dashboard. So let's get this one loose as well. Okay, so 3 screws so far. Now we need to grab the carpet, pull it towards the back, okay, like that. And next we need to pull, okay, that plastic out of there. So careful now with the light, we need to disconnect the light, okay, right here. So press down on it and pull it out. Okay, and this piece will need to come out because we just detailed the car. I don't want to get anything dirty now. Okay, next you might have an extra clip right here. Our model doesn't have one. Next you need to slide this thing, okay, towards the side. Okay, like that. Next, after that, you just pull the filter out. Okay, it's quite long filter, so okay, coming out of here now. So check out, okay, how dirty it is now on this side. Okay, it's black. Okay, that is dust. Check this side on the clean side, looks way better. So definitely at 47,000 miles in, that thing needs to be replaced if you want good clean air in your cabin. So next we need to get the carpet down now. It goes only one way. So we need to go ahead and find the hole here. Okay, like that. And once you go in, okay, you need to lock it in place. Okay, and the new one will not go in as easy as the old one. So we got it in. And next, I'll need an extra hand. Okay, we need to lock it in place. Okay, all the way. Just like that. You gotta make sure that it's all the way in. Perfect. We can get the plastic next. This plastic. You need to connect the light for the footwell here. Okay, it goes only one way. Perfect. It's not on because the door's been locked for a long time, and now it goes only one way. Make sure that it goes all the way in on each side, push it in and install the 3 screws now. So we installed the 3 screws, that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. More than 200 videos coming on this car. Don't forget to subscribe, we'll be taking the whole thing apart. If you need anything, let us know, we'll try to make a video. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.